So the reason why, or the way he became a puppet, is because first they promised him power and money, and then they drugged him. They drugged him with a particular thing that is not something that is, it's not like a street drug that's available to humans. It is something that was created within the reptilians and whatever alien intelligence is helping them. The grays is what I'm hearing. And it is a highly concentrated hybrid form of cannabis, but I guess it's like spliced with something else. And it is like through rituals, highly activated with the oversoul of cannabis. It's an aphrodisiac, powerful aphrodisiac. It makes Jeffrey Epstein's appetite what totally insatiable. It's also something that was given to the girls that he was trafficking, the boys that he was trafficking, mostly girls, definitely some boys. So that is partly how it is that something like this could possibly happen, that this man was very much under the influence of this hybrid cannabis. And they want to specify that part of what was created when they came up with this hybrid form of it is they made it very addictive. They made it very physically addictive. Awful withdrawal symptoms is what I'm hearing. Awful, completely immobilizing withdrawal symptoms. It's like energizing, highly energizing. And there's a scent on it that changes the way people feel when they're around you. He just had so much power and influence because of this very strange plant hybrid form of cannabis. So that is, I don't know if anybody else has talked about that, but that you've heard, but I did look it up and there's conjecture about it. People have talked about it before. That's the first thing they want you to understand. Next thing I'm seeing, I never know what this is going to be. Something over the power chakra, close to the heart in the past, seeing an angel up really high. So I've come to the conclusion that Jeffrey Epstein's past is really irrelevant. His childhood's irrelevant. Whatever wounding he may have had is irrelevant. But what they want to talk about is Ghislaine Maxwell, his relationship with her. So who is this angel? Is this someone over? Okay. So this is an angel who was with Jeffrey as a child, and so I'm feeling just a strong love, like an angelic love for a child, that energy. And I'm feeling the sadness and the regret from his highest self that they all felt the moment that he met Ghislaine Maxwell. So she was just raised in darkness. I'm seeing her as just like just solid black, like a bat. Wolf in sheep's clothing. Just a actress, such an actress. I don't know if she had training or what, but just so much. She had training somehow. I don't know if it was like she was in drama or something when she was a kid, but however she learned it, she learned how to be so convincing. So it's like she was trained as a spy, is what I'm hearing. So she came in and she was so manipulative with him. And then their relationship developed into something like their romantic relationship was like a dom sub relationship with her being the dominant one. So she was very much like a dominatrix with him and apparently loved it. So she grew up with ties to the shadow government. Her father had ties to the shadow government. And so she wanted to ensnare Jeffrey into all of this stuff. So it's like it started with the money and power and just the drug, crazy sex parties, and then just the promise of just like so much debauchery. Okay, so what they're showing me is the way being like turned on, that it can make you feel like you're on drugs. It can be very euphoric. And then there's this thing that happens. This is why people can get really addicted to kink, because I don't know if all these words are going to be, I'm like such a little YouTuber at this point. I don't know if all these words are going to be like flagged on YouTube and make them shut me down or something. I don't know. Maybe I should spell. Maybe I should whisper. So people can become very addicted to doing things that are very taboo because there's this rush. It's like adrenaline and endorphins, and So that's what I'm feeling. It's like it's an addiction to that high of engaging with a taboo. So that's how it started.